Have you ever wanted to record your computer screen and thought, that is not for me? I can't be bothered to download and install sophisticated programs. Don't worry, because I'm here to show you an effortless way to record your screen. And most importantly, you won't even need to install any software for this. Let me introduce you to Windows' very own pre-installed and pre-built-in screen recorder. The Xbox Game Bar. To start recording your screen, hold the Windows, Alt and the letter R on your keyboard. To stop recording, you just have to press the same keys again. By default, your recorded video can be found by clicking on this PC, select Videos and then choose Captures. You can rename and move this folder to anywhere you wish. This is the fastest and easiest way to record your screen. Now that you know how to record your screen, let's explore the Xbox Game Bar. The Xbox Game Bar was originally created as a communication tool for the Xbox console for players to talk to each other while playing, and record their gameplay for sharing. As you may already know, you can also play Xbox games on your Windows PC with your Xbox controller. See the link in the description for more on this. The reason Xbox Game Bar is included in Windows is because Microsoft owns Xbox. You can access the Xbox Game Bar by holding the Windows key and the letter G. This will open up the Xbox Game Bar user interface. On the left you have the widget menu. Here you can click on the star to favorite a widget and it will appear as a quick selection option on the top. At the bottom you have access to the widget store, where you can install tools for productivity while streaming games. Clicking on the icons will expand and close a control window for each icon. Feel free to move them around. In the capture window, you can choose to take a screenshot, record last 30 seconds. You can change it to more than 30 seconds under settings, which I will demonstrate later. Start recording, and turn your microphone on or off while recording. Under audio, you can adjust the volume of the sound from each app you're running. The performance window displays how your PC is performing in terms of CPU, GPU, VRAM, RAM and frames per second as a percentage. The mouse icon represents mouse click-through. This ensures that all mouse activity will go through a pinned widget and straight to the underlying game or app. This feature is specific for game streaming. It's useful in certain games, where it is important to show your mouse cursor and whenever you click. But it means nothing if you just want to record whatever is in your screen. Let's now move on to settings. There are two ways to access settings. You can either right-click on the Windows logo and select Setting. Scroll down to Gaming. Click on Xbox Game Bar. In the new window, under Related Settings, click on Graphics. Here you can customize the graphical settings for each game or app. Press on Option and choose either Power Saving or High Performance. If you go back and click on Captures, you can change the recording preferences. You can, for example, change the duration of background recording from 30 seconds to 10 minutes. Change the maximum recording time. Adjust the audio settings. Choose your frame rate per second. And lastly, turn the mouse cursor on or off when recording a game. You can also turn on game mode. This will prevent Windows notifications from appearing while you're playing a game and overall enhance your gaming experience. The other way to access the settings is through the Xbox Game Bar. Click on the top right settings icon. Here you can choose keyboard shortcuts, connect to your social media network, personalize the game bar with a theme, change recording and audio settings. You can also transcribe game chat by either transcribing your microphone chat to text or by converting a text chat to audio. Again, you can change the notification settings and lastly, leave a feedback and collect diagnostic information. Now, let me show you an example of how game recording with Xbox Game Bar looks like. To start recording at any time, hold the Windows, Alt and the letter R. Let's assume I'm only interested in recording goals only. To do this, I just have to wait for a goal to be scored, and hold Windows, Alt and the letter G, to record last 30 seconds. Here is a snippet of how recording last 30 seconds, and screenshot turned out.
Lacazette here. Can he do it to take the lead? And there it is, the opening goal, 1-0, and they'll feel they deserve it.
Note that during your recording time, the Xbox game bar windows won't show up in the saved video, which is actually pretty useful. If you for some strange reason don't have Xbox Game Bar installed on your PC, you can download it for free in Microsoft Store. I will leave a link to it in the description below this video. You're probably wondering how I'm able to record this. It's because I'm using a screen recording software called OBS Studio, which is my favorite screen recorder for creating content because it has many features. I have made a separate video on OBS Studio if you should be interested. That's it for this guide. I hope you liked it. If so, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.